The second thing that I would like to show you is to use search engine operators to find whether a certain phone number is indexed by search engines or not. Now please keep in mind that people do not usually share their phone numbers online. So you might or might not be able to get search result. But it is always a good option to perform a quick search on Google or any other search engine to find whether a phone number is indexed or not. So the search engine operator that you are going to use for international phone number is as follows. First of all, you are going to add the phone number with a plus sign and the country code within 2 quotation marks, and then use the OR operator to search for this number or any other number. And then we are going to say, instead of plus, we are going to replace it with 00 and then the country code and then the phone number, or the country code without the zeros or the plus and then the number, or only the phone number without any country code. Alright, so let's go to google.com, and then I'm gonna add 2 quotation marks, and within these 2 quotation marks I'm going to add Rishi Kabra phone number with a plus at the beginning and then the country code and then the phone number. And then I'm gonna say OR, and I'm going to add 00 at the beginning instead of plus, and then OR, and then the phone number without any plus or zeros. And then I'm going to say OR again, and then add the phone number without the country code, like this. And then I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, we weren't able to get any search result. And this is something that you are going to run into. This is very normal, but don't worry, because we are going to learn more methods to find information about this phone number. This only means that this phone number is not indexed by Google. Now let me copy the second phone number, which is from Rishi Kabra, who lives in the United States, and add 2 quotation marks, and then add the phone number without any spaces or minuses or brackets, like this. And then I'm going to say OR, and then the phone number with minuses, like this. And then I'm going to say OR again. And then I'm going to use the exact same format, but replace the minuses with dots. And then OR, and then the phone number with spaces between each block of the phone number. So I'm gonna hit enter. And as you can see, we were able to get search results. And you can see that we have got many search results, and most of the search results are from people search engines websites. And when I click on any search result, I'll be able to find information of the person who has this phone number. So let me open the first search result. And if I scroll down a little bit, I'm going to see the people who uses this phone number. And here we can see the name Stacy. And we know that this phone number is not for Stacy. And that's why it's important to check all other search results. So let me go back and open other website. So here we have got access denied because my IP address is not from the United States, but I'm going to open another one. And here we can see some different names. I'm going to search for the phone number. And here we can see the name Tammy Bariga. And I believe that he is the old owner of this phone number. So we can come back and open another page, for example, this one. And here we can see that this phone number belongs to a person called Shilpa Kabra. And this is the phone number that we have searched for. And by looking at the address, I can tell that this is the exact same address that I found on True People Search when I've searched for Rishi Kabra, who lives in the United States. And if I've looked at the relatives, we can also see Rishi Kabra. So in this lecture, you have learned how you can use search engine operators to check whether a phone number is indexed by search engines or not. We have used 2 search operators. The first one is for international phone numbers only, and the second one is for US or Canadian phone number.